Right, here's a question where you're asked to simplify this polynomial. They might have said at the top divide, but really you're simplifying. So each are just single terms, single, and you're dividing, so you need to leave the first one alone, and then change the divide to a times, and flip this one over. So it'll be 12y squared over 18x to the 10th. Now, any factors that are the same you can cancel. So these 12s are the same, I can cancel them. 12 and 18 aren't the same, but there's a common factor that goes into them. So I could divide 6 into 12, it'll go twice, and 6 into 18, that'll go 3 times. Okay, I think that's all I can do with numbers. Now let's go to the x's and the y's. So here I've got x to the 12th. Here I have x to the 10th on the bottom. And you can almost, because you're multiplying, you can sort of consider it being one big fraction. So if you're dividing common bases, they're both x's, you subtract the exponents. So in the end, I'm going to have, well, maybe I'll go down here. In the end, I'll have like 12 take away 10 is 2, so I'll have x squared on the top there. Maybe I'll write the numbers that I have down to. I have this 2, and then I have a 3 on the bottom. Now let's look at y's. So I have 2 y's on the top and 8 y's on the bottom. Again, I could subtract their common bases, so subtract their exponents. So I could write that as y to the negative 6. But often we don't like seeing exponents with a negative on it. So I can change that, and I can put this down to the bottom and make it a positive 6. Another way you could have looked at that is you could have said, well, I have 2 y's here and 8 there, so 2 of these will cancel out 2 of these, so instead of 8 there, I'll have 6. And that's what we get on the bottom. Right? Hopefully that helps you with that one.